What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I got another trip to the thrift. I'm about to hit the thrift store really quickly, only the one in my area, because like I said, I'm addicted to it, and I like to show you guys that I'm constantly in the thrift store, because some people would watch my videos, they see some of my sale videos and just think that I'm just making money while I sleep, which is cool sometimes, but to be honest, you got to do the work in the morning, you got to do the work during the day. And at night, sometimes you might wake up to a few sales, and that's always dope, but you got to put in the work in order to get to the money. So like I said, let's do another trip to the thrift. It's only like 2 or 3 blocks away from me, so I'll run down there really quickly, see what I can find. And the good news is that I'm really plowing through my death pile. I'm really down to maybe 10 or 15 pieces that I still haven't listed. But over these past couple of days, especially this week, I've been listing like crazy, especially on eBay and on Poshmark. And I finally got over 200 listings on Poshmark. So my Poshmark closet is definitely improving. So if you guys want to check it out, see what I do on Poshmark, the link is in the description. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we're just going to start off with the men's section as usual. I'm probably not even going to hit the women's section today at all, but I'm checking this Canterbury shirt out, and this is actually a rugby jersey. I think it's like a referee shirt, and this one is kind of plain, but I do know these Canterbury shirts sell for a decent amount of profit sometimes, so I might pick this one up, but we'll see after I check the comps. Next, I came across this Super Dry t-shirt, and Super Dry is a really good brand to be on the lookout for. I just sold a pair of cargos from this brand for like 25 bucks, but the t-shirts usually don't do that well for me, so I might pass on this one, but it's still a dope shirt at the end of the day. Next, I found this Travis Matthew polo golf shirt, and these golf stuff have been selling for me like crazy. I feel like I'm saying that every video, but it really is, so I'm really paying close attention to it. And Travis Matthew is just one of those brands that sell pretty quickly for me. As soon as I can list it, it basically sells within a week. So I'm definitely going to pick this one up. It's in a good size, really clean, no stains, no holes, so I definitely got to leave with this one. Right next to that shirt was another Travis Matthew polo shirt. This tag looked a little different, but I've seen that tag in the past, so I'm not too alarmed, and it's in the same size, so I'm guessing it's coming from the same person. And this is also very clean as well. Alright, I take that back. This one is clearly falling apart, so let me just put this one back. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like selling stuff with those type of flaws. But anyway, I came across this Famous Stars and Straps hoodie, and this is a brand me and my friends used to rock when we was in college. We'd probably come across this brand in like Zoomies or Hot Topic, and we would just wear graphic tees with this type of stuff on it. But this doesn't sell for a ton of money, maybe 15, maybe 20 bucks on Poshmark if you're lucky. But shout out if you remember this brand, or even if you still wear it. Next, I came across this Diamond Supply Co. sweatshirt, and speaking of nostalgic, this was a brand that me and my frat bros used to rock a lot of while we was in college. I know a lot of Kappas was wearing this Diamond Supply Co. stuff, so shout out to y'all if y'all remember this. Shout out to any noobs watching this channel, but this was definitely something I would wear a lot of. It doesn't sell for a ton of profit, but I might pick it up just for nostalgic purposes. And here is another Diamond Supply Co. sweater, and this one is just as dope, and I think I might go ahead and pick. I might get both of these. I might get one. It really just depends. I know it doesn't sell for a ton of money, but I like picking up certain stuff like this just to have in my Poshmark closet, because believe it or not, people are still rocking these brands. And wish for others what you wish for yourself. That's a dope saying. I definitely might pick this one up. Next, I came across this Nike ThermaFit pullover, and I usually get a lot of my gym clothes from the thrift, but this would usually sell a lot better in fall and winter. Something like this might sit for a while, so I'm not going to pick this one up, especially since it's, you know, it doesn't sell for a ton of profit anyway. I'll be lucky if I got 20 bucks for this, but definitely be on the lookout for athletic wear, because that's the stuff that's selling like crazy for me right now. Next, I came across this Hey Hey jacket, and Hey Hey is actually an Anthropologie brand. For those of you that don't know, the only reason why I'm familiar with that brand is because I sold a pair of shorts from this brand maybe 2 or 3 months ago for I think 15 or 16 bucks on Poshmark. So not a ton of profit was made, but I was just glad that it actually sold. So I might get this jacket only because I'm familiar with the brand, but then again, jackets like this might sit for a while, and it's really not that dope. So I don't know. I might have to think about it. Next is this Adidas jacket, and this is a really nice color, and like I said, athletic wear really selling fast for me, so I might get this one. But after I was checking the size, I realized it was my size, so I was getting kind of excited, and then I was just checking it out because I always like to make sure there's no flaws or any stains or holes. And after checking the sleeve, I saw there was a really big hole in the sleeve, so I'm definitely not going to sell something with that big of a hole, and I'm not going to wear anything like that either, so I'm just going to go ahead and pass on that one. Next, we got a pair of Nike Huarache 2K4s, and I remember when these shoes were new. Kobe used to wear these. I don't even remember if these came before or after he started having his own signature shoes, but I know he used to rock 2K4s, and these are in kind of like a, I think this like a Duke colorway, because I definitely never saw this colorway before. But in terms of the condition, I think 20 bucks is a little too much for these shoes, and even though it's in my size, I'm definitely not gonna get these for myself. So let me just check the comps really quickly just to see if that $20 price tag is worth it. Now, as you can see, I just like to check the comps using eBay, and just from the sold listings, like that laser print is a little more expensive, but in terms of all the other 2K4s, they don't sell for a ton of profit, and these aren't in the best condition. So most likely I'm going to end up passing on these, but drop a comment if you guys would pick these up, especially with the condition that they're in. And right next to the 2K4s was this pair of Nike Half Cents, and I actually had this same exact shoe while I was in college. I had a ton of sneakers back in the day, and this shoe wasn't that popular back then, and it still doesn't resell for a ton of profit now. And 25 bucks is a lot of money, especially for me. I don't spend more than 10, maybe 15 bucks on shoes, but anytime I come across any shoes that really expensive in Goodwill, I usually donate something just to get that 25% off coupon. So I might go ahead and do that with these, because even though there are some scratches and some scuffs with foam posits, you could easily clean that up. And you guys know I clean shoes all the time, so that's not going to be a problem. And just as I was ready to leave, I came across another Diamond Supply t-shirt, and this one was in really good condition. There was no cracking on the image or anything like that, so that was dope. But at the end of the day, I came here to flip some stuff, and even though Diamond Supply Co. has like some nice memories and stuff, it doesn't sell for a ton of profit, so I'm definitely going to have to pass on this one. Alright y'all, that's all I got for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
This lightning's causing thunder lately. So in the heart with no repayment. My interest rate is